Okay, so chapter 7, equip questions 1 through 4. And you can open your book to page 170-ish. What are some different names for the moral law? What has it been called elsewhere? Yes.
Nature's law.
Nature's law. What else? Yes. Natural law. What's the third one? Yes. Conscience. Is science. I don't know how to spell that. Con with a C. As in con artist. Number 2. Write out the argument for the moral law. So every law has a lawgiver, is the first premise. Every law has a lawgiver. Second premise is there is a moral law. And then the conclusion is therefore there is a moral lawgiver. Turn to page 171. So about halfway through the third paragraph, the last sentence there, it says this: without an objective standard, and this is what you're writing in the blanks for question 3. Without an objective standard of meaning and morality. Without an objective standard of meaning and morality, then life is meaningless. And there's nothing absolutely right or wrong. Everything is merely a matter of opinion. Without an objective standard of meaning and morality, then life is meaningless, and there's nothing absolutely right or absolutely wrong. Everything is merely a matter of opinion. Why do we say the moral law exists? When we say the moral law exists, what does that mean? Yes, Autumn.
All people are impressed with a fundamental sense of right and wrong.
All people are impressed with a fundamental sense of what is right and what is wrong. If you don't believe that, just cut them off in traffic and see what happens. Yes?
But I mean, like when you're like little kids, I mean, they have like a sense of like right and wrong when other people are doing stuff to them. But I mean, as far as them doing stuff to other people, you know, like it's only one sided. So would they really have a sense of right and wrong?
No, that's exactly how you know they know it. Because they react. They don't act it. This isn't about like everybody does what's right. It's about everybody knows what's right. It's not, you can't tell what a person believes, and the book's going to say this, by their actions, but you can by their reactions. That's how we do know they know it, because they know it's wrong when it's done to them. Any other questions? Okay, so next thing. You're going to read pages 172 to 181, so where we left off. On page 1 72, which is how do we know the moral law exists? And then you're going to read to page 181, which is I think it's through the whole thing. Yeah, through the whole page. And then you're going to answer equip 5 and 6. And you have the rest of the hour to do this. If you don't complete it, it is homework, and I'll write that up on the board. By the way, your quiz over Psalm 44 will be on Friday.